Hi Sumit, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm good. And how are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. So,
Mhm.
for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Sumit Kumawat today with us. So, he recently completed his CEH cybersecurity certification training, and today, the day we are recording this video, 18th of December, he passed his CEH global certification as well. So, we are going to discuss about his experience during the training, what kind of approach he took for the certification examination preparation, about his background, about his experience as well. So, hi Sumit, welcome again, and let's get started. So, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your background into the IT industry, please?
Yes, sir. I'm in a Pune since last 15 years, and my college is completed into the same field. I was in a specialization track at D.Y. Patil College in cyber security and cloud security. So that's why I've chosen this path to move forward with the security things. So after that, I joined BMC Software as a cybersecurity engineer. Before that, I completed 5 or 6 months training in a quick kill antivirus for the same system security engineer. So I was working as a SOC engineer there, and right now I am uh, in the cyber defense field. So currently, I pursued my CEH certification exam with the I-MEDITA training center, and absolutely I received all the like fully support with the coordination of the faculties and the weekend batches I've joined for this. So everything was going clearly, and today I have completed my CEH certification. So this is also help with the trainers and the study materials provided by the institute. So it's like my honor to share with you guys.
How was the overall experience during the training with your instructor, with our staff?
Yeah, so instructor was very cool. Like we were studying like as a friend. You can consider whichever doubts you have, you can directly uh, put in or ask like with the other teammates. They are very cooperative person. Yes, sir, and they shared everything like the resources, tools, and whatever is needed. And also, they have set up our environment for this lab test.
So, what was the motivation to go for CEH? Because you're already working in this cybersecurity domain. Due to that reason, you opted for
So,
CEH program?
yes, so recently, CHV 13 version 13 is launched, and some AI things are implemented in that. So, uh, as per industry, like industry moving with the latest technology, so I skilled up, and so I can showcase my skill or my knowledge with the company, so that will help in my career growth.
Okay. Okay, great. So, what kind of approach you took for the preparation? How much time you spent on daily basis along with your classes, along with your self-study, and after training completion, what kind of approach you took for your examination preparation?
So for the preparation, like I have joined on October, so I had 3 months in my hand. So with the training, I was working in a night shift at office. So in the night, like we have got like low volume of the work. And so I spended my lab test over the company in environment for the R&D and the testing purpose, and therefore study on weekend post completing my training with the trainers and the I-MEDITA. After that, I spended an hour, hardly an hour for my study, and like most of the things managed or the provided by this institute, so it was quite easy for me to smoother processing and the learning things, like very sorted pattern was there.
Great.
Mhm.
Being a working professional, how easy was this for you to learn and work simultaneously? Because we have seen many participants, they struggle on this part that it becomes difficult. So, how did you manage?
There is nothing to like do different in this. It is yeah, in our environment, everywhere we go, like many people have their own track, like some other fields, but they are interested in that, they can do easily. Like they see if we are relating our A class to B class, so both are in the same track. So that is easy, quite easy. Like we already know the infra and things, how things are going on in the real environment. So there are some tricky things about there are like in the syllabus we have some deeper knowledge about basic things which we don't know, but we know how to work on that. So that is quite tricky to study. Like if we spend some time on this, definitely we can achieve by weekend only, not any extra days.
Because you were working in the same domain, so it was easy for you to understand all of these things. You
Yes.
didn't put a lot of efforts and revising a lot of things because you are already familiar with a lot of topics, right?
Right.
Great. Great. And now, next what? What are your future plans now in terms of learning? CEH is done.
Yeah. So last day I have seen a job posted on my same company.
Okay.
I want to move internally, like I need internal movement. Currently, I'm in a cyber defense, so I'm planning for the threat intelligence
Okay.
and the forensic investigation. There are
Great.
like two things in the same team, so I want to move in that. So this will help me to like step again.
And what do you recommend to people who are planning to begin their career into cybersecurity? How should they start? When should they do certification? What do you recommend?
Okay, so certification is other thing. First, we have to clear our mindset. Like the trend is going on the cybersecurity things, like everything is security. So it is not that much easy. Firstly, like we have to know the things from basic hardware component to network to like an infrastructure how build up, and mainly the backend, the data center side,
Right.
like you
So,
can consider the security policies
in
like
a
this.
nutshell, you mean to say if somebody is planning to get into cybersecurity, it is advised that first they clear their network security, and infrastructure concepts in depth,
Right,
and learn
right.
cybersecurity related things, gain 1 2 years of experience, and then go for the certification.
That will be the better option.
Right. And based on your training experience with, based on your interaction with our staff and other members, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
So it's like it is not my hand to give more than that. So I'm giving out of like I really enjoyed the things with the sessions, with the trainings, and the support cooperation with the exam preparation and all like
Great.
things.
Any suggestion, any feedback for us?
Feedback, like we have everything. Like I again looking for some different track here at Medita, I-MEDITA. So for sure I'll be joining again soon. And the things are well settled, not to any like hesitating things. Very sorted, very sorted.
Thank you, Sumit. Thank you for giving us a valuable time. We wish you all the very best and congratulations again. Thank you again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, bye.